Hello everyone, look at this. We have avoided the loss. Not this. I'm waiting for this price to come here. It is still in process. Looks like in tomorrow will be coming this price over here. We'll look into it. Right now it's not there. Or can look at this. I'm waiting for break and then retest. If I sell over here, I would literally avoid the loss right now. Literally. That is why I'm waiting for the candlestick closer below this box. This is what I'm saying. My experience is getting so good in trading. That is the reason I'm avoiding the loss to the perfection. That is what I'm saying. Orange ZD, I have predicted this, but it looks like we are missing this trade. I'm still waiting for this price to come up here. I just can't sell over here. Can't like I just can't. So I'm still waiting for the candlestick to close below. In intraday, I have wait for this, which haven't happened. Oh, it is going up. If this candlestick close above this candle, we are going to buy this. But now I just lost interest for taking a sell trade. EURJPY on the other hand, this is what I was talking. This is what I was talking about. This is what I have said. Oh my goodness. Look at my lines is also saying the same thing. I have said I have. That was the worst reaction. I have literally said about this that this needs to candlestick close upside. It just can't go down. It needs to go up. We can do this area of interest. And then it is going to come down and then retrace and then push to downside. This is what I have said. And it has happened to the perfection. So I'm just waiting for the next 3 minutes. If this candlestick close below this candle, I'm going to take the sell trade. Yeah, basically this is the high probability trade. This is what I'm looking into, man. This is the trade. This right there is the trade, man. So from here to here we can easily take the sell trade. I will now delete this because next. So from here to here we can easily take the sell trade. Okay. Because we have done the things which we wanted to do. Now it will continue to do the things which I wanted, that come from here to here. So now the question is, yeah brother, let's this is the intraday trade. This is not the how I continue to trade, but it needs to create the red candle on weekly. Just gotta create the red candle from here to here. From here to here. I just need that candlestick to close below this below this candle. That's it. But the question is, should I take this trade on the $1 lakh or should I continue to take the trade on the 5,000? This is bit of the intraday trade from here to here. But it's a very high probable. I'm not gonna lie. This is like a very high probability trade. I don't want to take the intraday trades on that account, on the EURJPY. On the big account, I will continue to take the trade. I just don't want to. Okay, this is right here. Sell stop loss, entry. This is going to be the stop loss. Yeah, this right there is going to be the stop loss. Even we can keep the stop loss this as well. 14 plus 1, 15. Let's keep 16. Yeah. But the 1 hour candlestick to close below this. This is a very high probability trade, I'm not gonna lie. Sell entry. This is going to be the stop loss. If we wanted to risk the $40, so about 5, 61, 4, 48, 3, 36, yeah, 0.3 works. This haven't closed below this candle. I'm not going to take the trade now. I want candle to close below this candle, then I can able to take the trade. I just can't. Yeah, 30 minute also saying the same thing. This looks good. This looks so good. This is a trade. This is what I'm waiting for. But the only issue is the way it is presenting, it is getting shortlisted for the intraday, not the big account that is $1 lakh. This is totally for intraday trade. Yeah, this is going to create the red candle like this, close below this. Look at this. By just waiting for the candlestick close below this candle, I have avoided the drawdown like anything. Look at this. So pretty much this is a trade we can look into. I like this. EURJPY. No, that's the wrong thing. EURJPY, I'm interested like anything. NZDJPY. Waiting for one hour candle, right? So I need to put the alarm for 17:30. Hi Bixby. Set an alarm for 17:30.
Your alarm for 5:30 p.m. will go off in 58 minutes.
Why are you talking like this? Oh, that's strange. This is a JPY. This is also JPY. This is going up. This is saying that it's going to go down. A bit weird. That's a bit weird. Okay. Euro odd. I'm waiting for the break and retest of this. This is not ready for sell, not even buy. CADJPY. Again, we'll look into it, every single thing. This looks good for buying. Why was selling? This little looks good for buying. This week has to get fill. We'll look into it. 4 hours needs to close on that EMA. We'll look into it. Break and retest. I want break and retest. Odd NZD. I want retracement. I want this break and retest. Tomorrow's trade. Euro USD is getting line up for tomorrow trade. Looks good. Absolutely looks so good. Want the candlestick to close below this candle. Once that happens, we will be having break and retest. We can intraday trade from here to here. Totally, but not today. Tomorrow morning 6:30, we can easily take the trade over here on in Euro USD. GBP USD. By just waiting for the candlestick closer, I have avoided loss over there. Avoided the loss. Experience phase. Now this is, I'm waiting for break and retest. Easily we can take the trade. GBP JPY. Either or. If candlestick close above, we buying. Closing below, we selling. We'll look into it. I'm waiting for break and retest. Daily candlestick closer above. EURJPY. Candlestick closer below. Daily candlestick closer below. Odd USD. Break and retest. And daily candlestick close below. Look at this. Like by just waiting, I'm making more money than doing a trade. Literally. By just waiting for the things. So right now, I mean, we'll look into it. Like what trades we can take now. Looks like within 1 hour this looks good. NZDJPY. Temporary excluded. Let's do this. Temporary excluded. How about Euro odd? I want candlestick close, and I don't think so it is going to come. So temporary excluded right now. CADJPY, doing the things which I wanted. How about like what's time? Today's time is over 19:30. Even if it is come over here 19:30, it is going nowhere because this doesn't work like that. The market doesn't work like that. So tomorrow we'll be having the trade on the CADJPY if possible. Tomorrow we'll be having the odd CAD trade as well. Daily candlestick closer tomorrow. Odd NZD. Let's shortlist this for tomorrow. Odd NZD as well for tomorrow, not for today. Tomorrow CHF JPY break retest, which is not even going to do it today. Exactly, today it's not going to do it. Tomorrow. So CHF tomorrow, odd NZD tomorrow. This is odd CAD. CHF and odd NZD is loss interest. Odd CAD break retest. Waiting for candlestick to close. Euro USD. Waiting for 4 hours candlestick to close below. And waiting for daily candlestick close. Euro USD looks too good to be true. GBP USD candlestick close. Once this candlestick close like this, we can easily take the sell trade. I will wait for the one more candlestick to close like this, and then we can able to take the trade on Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Wednesday. GBP USD looks good on more to wait. Euro odd. GBP JPY. Candlestick closer. Odd NZD. This is temporary excluded. CHF JPY. Waiting for this candle to close. This is daily candle. So let's keep it in loop on CHF JPY. GBP USD. Why more to wait? Not more to wait. I'm just waiting for this candle to close, but whenever we are above, we're buying. I will be waiting for this candle engulfing. Break retest engulf. That will be most high probable. Yeah, more to it. It's basically 2 days. Odd NZD I am temporary excluded because it needs a lot more time to come up here. EURJPY, I'm waiting for break retest. The DJPY lost interest. EURJPY, I'm waiting for candle to close above. Or JPY. This is for tomorrow trade. Intraday tomorrow. Tomorrow. The spelling might be wrong. Candle to close. Candle to close down this box. Or USD candle to close below. That right there is it. So right now if we look into it, we just have an intraday EURJPY, and this is what I want to see. To be clear, we just have EURJPY. On the other hand, I want this candle to close at 1730 below this candle. Okay, 1730. If the time goes above 1930, or then I'm just not interested. CADJPY on the other hand, I'm waiting for 4 hours to candlestick close over here, and looks like it is going to do the way I can literally buy it right now. I can buy this currency right now if it wanted to go for intraday. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Candle close above. If this candle to close above over here, I will buy from here to here. Exactly, we can do this. Oh yeah. Intraday. So 1 hour. 1730, I'm waiting for 1730 to close above this candle. Because this literally looks good. That will also make 15 minute to bullish. Close above this candle. We can buy this for intraday purpose from here to here. I mean, I got so pro in trading, yaar. Very good. Holy shit, we gonna have to move now for Pune. I got so good in trading, man. Wow. We'll look into it. So the update is at 1730. We're gonna have to see the chart. I'm waiting for this price to come up here because we are going to week into this EMA. This is going to come up here, right? So let's buy it for intraday, not for this. What is not for this big account, because I want to practice the intraday first. Also, I have purchased the premium plan for the intraday, so we're going to do it. Also, like, look at this. I have avoided the loss to perfection. Waiting for the just candles to close below. Just look at this. This is what a pro trading looks like. Not like, oh yeah, I feel like it is going go. Oh, sell, and then, oh, I did lost, just a number game. So the update is at 1730 we'll go into check. Maybe I won't be able to check because I might be in a traveling. So yeah, oh shit, recording is on, right? Signing off. Peace. We'll look into it.